Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Think Big Digital. In today's video, we're going to discuss the TikTok WhatsApp share problem and we're going to discuss how to fix that problem. So without any overdue, let's dive right into the video. For that, we are going to open the TikTok app. And basically, if you click on share and click on WhatsApp, then it is supposed to show you the toggle where you can directly share that link of that TikTok video directly to anybody from WhatsApp. I mean, if you click on next, it's going to take you here and you can just send the URL. But if it's not working, that could mean some things. So for that, basically what you can do is clear out the cache files from both of the apps. So we are going to go to apps and we are going to select TikTok first. Basically, we're going to go to general and go to iPhone storage. And then we're going to go search for TikTok and click on offload app. After offloading the app, it will basically erase all the junk files of the app. And if you click on reinstall, it's basically going to reinstall it back again. Same, you're going to go do it for the WhatsApp app. If you just offload the app, and then reinstall it, then it's going to clear up all the junk files. And then what you can do is basically check if your internet connection is proper. You can turn off Wi-Fi. You can try it with your mobile data. So if you turn it on and use it with your cellular data, then it might work. Also, just check if your Wi-Fi connections are proper, and this should be the solution to your problem basically. And even if it doesn't work, you can just uninstall both of the apps and then reinstall it. Another thing what you can do is it's the same thing basically. If you don't want to uninstall your app, what you can do is update your app. See if both of your apps are completely up to date. Go to TikTok, search up TikTok. So basically it says update. That means my version is not updated, so I'm gonna update it. We are also going to see if our WhatsApp app is up to date. So it says open, that means our WhatsApp app is up to date. There are no other updates there. So now that our app is updated, we should be able to use the WhatsApp sharing feature properly from now on. Even if it doesn't work, what you can do is basically restart your phone over again and it should work from then on. So that's how you actually fix the problem of WhatsApp sharing from TikTok. So this is it for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of us on your For You page, you can subscribe to our channel. If you have any queries regarding this topic, you can comment down below and we will be very glad to help you guys. And that's it for today. We will see you in the next video.